Check that. Oh, not sure if you can smell that. Can you smell it? Yeah. All right, here we go. Atomic bomb. How's it going, everybody? It's CHRISTIANL here with Eat Like an Apex. This afternoon, I'm here in Santa Clara, California at my friend Justice's house. I stopped by the store, picked up some... Okay, anyways, I picked up some sauce from my friend Papaya Salad, Ponpon's crack sauce. So this is specifically the reason why I'm gonna go ahead and prepare or purchase these items to cook so I can try it with those sauces. And that's what I'm gonna show for you guys today. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I hope you subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. And I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. 1 pound shrimp wash. Alright, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this rice prepared. Okay, so let's do the rice. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the shrimp. Oh yeah. Just give the shrimp a good stir fry. Get it nice and orange, add a little bit of maybe some salt and some pepper. Very simple. Simple shrimp dish, nothing too spectacular. The next thing I'm gonna pop on the stove are gyozas. Thai shrimp gyozas, and they're from Trader Joe's. I'm also gonna add some vegetables, so we'll do it with some green beans as well. Check on the rice, make sure the rice is doing good. Shrimp. Alright, what's up everybody? I have completed the meal. Wash my hands real quick. So I completed the meal where I'm going to be using the Ponpon sauce for this meal. And I'm really excited to try these sauces made with love from Papaya Salad. I think this is the hot sauce, the really hot one. It's called Atomic Bomb. And I think there might be some habanero extract in there, I'm not sure, but take a look at that. This, and I have this here. This is the Ponpon's crack sauce, mild jalapeno and cilantro. Ooh, cilantro. Okay, on my plate I have shrimp head on. We have shrimp gyozas. We have the green beans and some onions with the green beans as well. And I wash my hands because I'm just going to be using my hands for this meal here. Let's go ahead and go for the jalapeno cilantro first. Pop this open. All right. Ooh, that's a tight jar. There it goes. Got it open. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, I smell it already. Woo. So I'm gonna put some of that sauce to the side here, right over there. I think that's good. And while I'm at it, I might as well open this one up too. Atomic Bomb. Ponpon's crack sauce, Atomic Bomb. Oh, that was easier. Check that. Oh, not sure if you can smell that. Can you smell it? A scoop of that. Are you kidding right now? All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'm gonna try the shrimp first. That shrimp is head on. I'm gonna try that shrimp butter, that head butter in there. You take a look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, nice. I'm just peel it up now. Put some of that jalapeno cilantro on here. Cheers, my friends. Oh, wow. Yeah. Now, if you're not used to spice, that jalapeno is really prominent. You taste the cilantro, and you have that jalapeno. I believe there might be, is that fish sauce? Real potent spice level there. You know, not the hottest, but like I said, if you're not used to spice, this will get you. And I love that. I love that cilantro. I'm gonna go for another bite here. Oh, I love it. I love it. Now, right off the bat, I probably would use this jalapeno cilantro sauce with just about anything. Any seafood, any meat dishes. For me, it is that good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the atomic bomb sauce now. But first I'm gonna go ahead and get this shrimp head butter. If you guys never tried the shrimp head, I really suggest that you give it a try. It's nice and creamy, has a nice seafoody, shrimpy taste to it. And they have that also in lobster. All right, back to the sauce. The atomic sauce. And let's just go ahead and get some of that. Oh, yes. Oh, take a look at that. Can you see that? Yeah, all right, here we go. Atomic bomb. Oh, yeah. There's definitely habanero in there, I taste it. It's that habanero flavor that really sticks out. Oh, yeah. And with habanero, it's not like a real immediate kick, because you kind of have to eat it for a little bit, and it comes bites you in the butt, you know, a few seconds later. Yeah, that's hot. Oh, that is definitely habanero, but that is just really good. Excellent. Oh, wow. I am in love with these sauces. I needed it. It's so good. It's so hot. It's starting to really itch. It's starting really to get my throat because of that spice, and I'm loving every second of it. All right, let's eat some more of that jalapeno cilantro. Taste it with some rice. Oh, I picked up jasmine rice for this segment. So I'm gonna go ahead and get use the gyozas and put it in the sauce. Gyozas with the jalapeno cilantro. All right. Oh my goodness. This is definitely next level sauce, next level. Big fan of Asian sauce, big fan of Khmer food. I'm sure there's some Khmer influence, Cambodian influence in this sauce here. Yeah, no, these flavors are just an explosion of heat, of zesty flavor. There's a tinge of sourness, a tinge of spice, a tinge of sweetness. It has everything. I'm gonna go for that gyoza and use some atomic bomb again. Oh, I'm gonna hit that habanero for sure. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Next level. Next level, yes. For this next segment, please enjoy the time lapse as I chow down on the food as fast as I can. Okay, I'm not sure if you noticed, but I am profusely sweating right now. I am just sweating. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're wondering, as an alternative, which one do I like better? The atomic bomb or the jalapeno cilantro? Which one would I choose if you were to pick one of these? From my own opinion, they're both good. I really encourage you to try both, because one's really kicks you in the butt, and that's a habanero. Definitely has that prominent habanero spice level in it. The jalapeno cilantro is another one. Boom, hits you with that jalapeno kick. Really good. Love the cilantro. Which one would I choose? As I said earlier, I would use this jalapeno cilantro sauce in anything. The atomic bomb is also really good. I definitely suggest you get this. The atomic bomb is a sauce that you want in your refrigerator. It's hot, it has that habanero, it has that nice sweet and sour factor in it. Both of them are really good. Thank you, Papaya Salad, for sharing your product with us. Yeah, with that said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up if you do like it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I hope you find time to subscribe. Peace out, one love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications to be updated on more videos right here. Thanks, bye.